The Perfect Choice DHT blocking treatment. What does it do? It contains biotin infused apple stem cells that communicates and duplicates the growth factor proteins with receptors for hair production, and it heals the internal tissue damage of the scalp. But why should you care? So let's talk about these components individually. So what is biotin? Biotin is a water-soluble, also known as vitamin H, that helps the body metabolize fats, carbohydrates, and protein, and aids in energy production. Its origins comes from plants and animals such as foods like egg yolks, organ meats, nuts, seeds, whole grains, legumes, and dairy products, and certain vegetables. What are the benefits of biotin? It is an anti-aging agent for the follicles. It has anti-inflammatory properties for the scalp. It assists in regenerating and repairing damaged tissues of the scalp. It thickens the hair strands to strengthen it, thus preventing breakage. And it aids in the production of the keratin protein that makes up the hair, skin, and nails. What are apple stem cells? Apple stem cells come from the Swiss-grown Ottweiler Spottleber apples. What do apple stem cells do? Apple stem cells boost the production of new skin cells and increase collagen and elastin production. It protects the skin from the damage caused by UV radiation. It has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe irritated skin, such as eczema, psoriasis, or rosacea, and it keeps the skin moisturized and prevents dryness. How does it work? It uses nanotechnology. But what's nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is the understanding and control of matter at the nanoscale. It's the size of 1/billionth of a meter. At the size of a nanometer, ingredients are fine-tuned to the best of its properties. So what does that mean for you? It means the powerful benefits of biotin and apple stem cells have the ability to improve the health of your scalp, follicles, and hair on a penetrable level versus simply building up on top of the hair and scalp. You know, like that gunk we talked about earlier. It also means preventing the aging of the follicles, resolving scalp abnormalities, and extending the life cycle of the hair follicles for hair that grows longer for longer. To learn more about the Perfect Choice DHT blocking treatment, visit healthinhaironline.com.